called Flying Crane Spreads Its Wings. Okay, it's 3 movements here. This one's also good for kind of releasing kind of irritability or stress or frustration. It's also just a good stretch for your chest and your back and things like that. Okay, and your shoulders. Keep your shoulders loose as you're doing that. Again, nice, good posture here. Just kind of nice, like shoulder width apart. Slight bend in your knees, slight pelvic tilt if you can. You can roll your shoulders back and let them go, okay? So we're gonna let our hands kind of come up as we breathe. And we're gonna let them press down as we breathe out. We're gonna do this like 3 times, coming up and out. Good bird flapping our wings, coming up and out. One more time. And out. Okay, I'm gonna let my hands kind of come up here to the next movement here. So it's like I'm doing a push-up, they're coming in. And we're gonna press forward. Bring them in. And out. You can think of like I'm just kind of pushing away or whatever I don't need. Just let it go. I'm gonna do one more. Okay, we're gonna do the last movement. So our arms were here. Okay, so they're gonna go out to the side here. So we're gonna breathe in. Stretch those wings. You can also feel the stretch in the back. I'm gonna do a couple more here so you can just kind of talk through the movement. We're just kind of feeling the shoulder blades come together, then we're pressing outward, but gentle, gentle. Don't hurt your shoulders. And so, you know, traditionally you do about 3 of these, and once you've done them, you bring them in, and you just kind of brush down and breathe out. Do that a few times.